Hello everybody, so I am Grace of Grace Makes Lace, and today I am going to start with lesson 0 of the tatting shuttle. So this is the horn, this is the post, this is a posted shuttle because it has that post in the middle, and then these, I actually have no idea what they're called, but they're the sides of the shuttle. But anyway, every posted shuttle should have a hole going through the center, and if not, I'll show you eventually how we can load up something like that. It's a little bit more cumbersome. Now, if you have a bit of a difficult time threading needles, you might want to get a needle threader, but if not, just put the end of the string through there, grab and hold. Most people say to knot, but I think it's a little bit too cumbersome. So, you're going to want to look at the top of the shuttle. Since I tat left-handed, I like this to be, I'm going to be holding the shuttle like this. If you're right-handed, you'll probably be holding the shuttle like this. So either way, if you're loading up the shuttle, make sure it loads up so the horn and the thread make a Pac-Man mouth. And after a couple wraps, you can let this go, tuck this in a little bit more. This will help you reduce the amount of thread you waste too. You can play more thread or yarn chicken. You see how it makes the Pac-Man mouth with the horn. And some shuttles don't have horns, and in that case, you don't have to worry about that. Just load her up and orient her the way you need. Now, personally, for beginner tatters, I actually recommend using a rainbow colored thread because you can see a lot more of what's going on because of the gradient change. Using a rainbow colored crochet cotton number 10 is actually how I ended up really learning. But for showing visually, because I can't seem to find anything bigger in rainbow. Maybe I'll have to specialty order it, but I'm using fashion yarn size 3, so it's still small enough to work with. It's going to make a very chunky lace, but I think it's perfect for learning. You can see better what's going on, you can feel better what's going on, it'll show up better on camera. So yeah, that is how you load a tatting shuttle. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye!